go ahead.
Today, we are reviewing the Titanic. We just got back
baby.
from the previews of it, and we saw the whole movie before anyone else.
We seen it. Sneak preview. Great, by the way.
It's got Leonardo DiCaprio,
Fucking Kate Winslet.
Kate Winslet's
It's kind
in
of
it.
long.
Fucking Billy Zane's in that
Billy
shit.
Zane's definitely in it.
And he's a fucking super villain.
Yeah, it's crazy.
You
Basically,
guys have to see it.
they
I
hit-
like Billy Zane.
Yeah, and so do
Oh,
I.
he was good in it. He was
Yeah.
great.
Billy Zane was great.
But they hit an iceberg, basically, what happens in it. And
Yeah.
it's a fiction movie. It's not based on a true
It's not
story.
real.
It's not based on a true
This
story.
big boat
So
hits
you
an
can
iceberg.
You can be safe going in boats. It's not
It's
based
yeah,
on a
it's
true
fine.
story.
It's based on a Dr. Seuss book.
Yeah.
But they made it look real.
Hey,
Exactly.
Was Horton on the boat?
No, dude.
Wait,
This
Horton
isn't-
hears
this
a
was
hoot
not the
and
Ark.
jumps off the boat.
It wasn't
dude,
Noah's
you
Ark.
heard that shit. There was a violin man. It was the saddest thing I've ever seen.
You know, because the guy
But
he plays violin.
Leo, fucking Leo was amazing.
Yeah.
I fell in love with him 10 times.
It was a good movie. And you know who cried? Take a guess who cried. Of all of us
Guess
here,
who cried?
Guess who
Us.
cried?
It was just sad.
This guy,
You do this shit all the time. You
He
guys,
was fucking crying. It was
Even though
it's not
He
funny.
was crying.
it was a Dr. Seuss book, and they made it sad.
You gotta stop crying. You can't take this shit
You
seriously
gotta be
anymore.
a fucking man.
I have feelings just like everyone
No,
else.
you don't.
No,
you
there's
don't.
no feelings.
You're
I
fucking
really
weak.
didn't have feelings.
You're fucking weak.
The
Cut it
scene
right
when they
now.
filmed Kate Winslet was hot.
Yeah, that's fine. And he should have been into that.
She was naked.
You know what?
She was naked.
She's a man, dude.
I can't do this
She
shit.
was
I
naked.
can't do this shit anymore.
It was a sad
He's
story.
a pussy.
Yeah, I can't do this anymore.
Oh,
with him.
pussy!
I'm done with
I
him.
love you,
I'm serious.
pussy!
I'm not even trying. This is not even a joke anymore. I'm done
All right.
reviewing movies with him.
I'm out of here, dude.
I thought it was your
You're on
friend.
your own. Fuck that.
I thought it was your